Hey everyone, in this video we will cover some additional information about the Pl300 exam. So let's start. So what I wanted to cover was the cost of the exam, and it roughly costs around 165 USD. Depending on where you are, it'll still cost you 165 USD, might be a conversion rate, but that's what it costs. And you can take the exam at home, or you can take it by going to a test center. So the question types for the exam are: you have case studies, so you'll have business scenarios, data snippets, business requirements, current state technology and security requirements. So each case study has 4 to 5 questions. Then there are multiple choice questions. So these are standard multiple choice questions where you have to choose a sequence of tasks and drag and drop them into the right order, or choosing the right function to complete a DAX query. And then you've got yes or no questions. The number of questions can be anything between 40 to 65 questions, and you have 100 minutes for answering all these questions. And the passing score is 700. And this certification is valid for 1 year, and then you have to retake the exam. So it expires after 1 year. So this is pretty much all the additional information I wanted to cover here. I hope you find this information useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers. Bye.